Hey guys, welcome to Rich's Mowers and Blowers. Psh, we made it out to the Ida auction house, even though it rained. Seems like it wants to rain every time there's an auction out here. So what do we got? What are we looking at? A wet mess. That's what it is. Let's do a little walk around. See what they got. Some ready heaters here. Winter's be coming up on us pretty soon here. They got the snow plows out on the trucks. Look at that. Must be getting ready. Alright, so what do we got? We got some ready heaters here. We got some fire hoses, looks like. A log chain. Lots of mud puddles. Got some old farm equipment there. Looks pretty cool. Set that up in the yard and put a little flowers around it or whatever. That would work for that kind of stuff because you're probably not going to be using it, but you'll use it for some decoration. A generator. So we have a home light, 3500 running watts. Doesn't look too bad, but then we have one of these heaters up here. Goes on top of a propane tank. Those are always nice. Easy to use, put up on top of the propane tank. Mosquito killing system. Yeah. To watch where we're going. Got a long keeper edger. Long keeper edger. Look at this one. That one's buried in the mud, in the water. Alright, let's see if we can get around here without getting too wet. It's a wet mess. Look at these little shovels here. Got a whatnot bucket half filled with water. All this stuff. So that's what happens on these days. You bring the stuff out here, set it out early for the auction so you can get it lined up, and then it rains. Seems like that's some of the cases going on. A couple old saws here. Let's see what we got. A P12 Pioneer. Look at that. That's back when they were made like that. Not no plastic thing like this home light. What do we got in here, Rich? I don't know. Let's see. We got some shaving cream. That's some shavers in there. Nice little air tank. A Ryobi weed trimmer. Here's another heater. So that's a Dana Glow. Kerosene or diesel. Whatever you want to use in there. I would probably use kerosene in there. There's another heater. So this is the day of the heaters. That's a Mr. heater. And then here's a wall heater for like a garage or something. In a house. Could do that. There might be something in there. Let's find out. Feels awful light though. No, empty. That's empty. What's in this one, Rich? I don't know. It's a Craftsman. What do you guys think? Let's reveal it at the end Here's a trap. Get trapped into the stuff. Here's a, looks like a fogger. Mosquitoes. So we got 2 mosquito things and at least what? 3, 4, 5 heaters, 6 heaters, 2 mosquito things. So what's that trying to tell us? We need to warm up the mosquitoes. Here's another fireplace looking thing. A saddle that got all wet. Here's a hidden gem of a treasure. Can't even open that one up. One's rusted shut. Some good tools in there. They didn't even use that. Here's another one. Same darn thing. Water everywhere. Water everywhere. Let's see if this is Christmas stuff in here. It's in a tote that looks like Christmas. What's in this one? A couple bicycles back there. Well, at least this stuff got kept up underneath this under here so the rain didn't get to it. 'Cause that would have been all ruined there if the rain would have got to that. Set that up the right way. There we go. Ooh. This looks like an old book here. Look at all this stuff. Looks like some old postcards and letters. It'd be neat if that's how you turn it on. You'd go, turn it on, turn it off. Probably doesn't work that way though. What else we got, Rich? What else we got? Something up here in these little containers. It's like office supplies, pens and pencils. Here is a table. Got a little wet. It's a nice looking table. Could be brought back to life. Some furniture, a clock up there. Let's see if we can sneak through this way. Here's a peacekeeper right there. That's a nice little peacekeeper right there. 25 inch. It's perfect. Keep that under the seat of your car. else we got? Lots of toys. There's a whole bin of Legos. That's pretty interesting. Some log cabin. Remember having those as a kid, building log cabins. That's always fun right there, those things right there. Yeah, what is this? What's the sign? Girls rule. There you go. See any good nuts and bolts in there? Nice little case. You can't go bad getting one of those cases. I always use it for your spare parts. But the Lego bin, now that one's something to look at. Well, the scooter works, no charger. So how they know if it's working if it has no charger? Here, that's from Spider-Man. That's probably from a Harry Potter. Right there, that is from there's a minifig arm. It's from a minifig costume, I would say, that goes right over top of them. Here is a Bionicle, if you guys know what Bionicles are. There's a minifigs, a couple minifigs in there. This is how you do it. You dump all these out. Let's build something, man. Let's build something. And then you just start digging for hours and hours and hours of pieces. Alright. That is a fake Lego. That's not a real Lego. Alright, so we got a lot of good Legos in there. I gotta sort through those, bag them up, and you can sell them per pound. That's how we do it. So anything else good, that is worth checking out right there. Generator could be worth checking out. Cheap enough, you can do something with those. They're not that hard to fix if you need to fix one, so. Sounded like it had fluid in it. Let's check out this power washer while we're here. That's not very good. Let's see if we can at least pull it over. See if it's been sitting around for a while. Almost started. Let's put some choke on. Let's see. There we go. It'll probably start. But is the pump or anything good on it? We know you need a new hose. Alright, what else you guys want to see? What's in here, Rich? Did we look in this one? Oh, looks like some mice and stuff got in that one. Somehow. Doesn't look too good. Well, everybody probably knew it was gonna rain, so they didn't bring their stuff out. That's what I was try to guess. Alright, well, that's about it for the Ida auction house on this wet, rainy day. That's what happened. Let's reveal it at the end. Oh, it says router case on it. Well, you guys already know. And it is a router.